Alright, number 18, we want to determine the area under the curve that lies to the right of these four. So anytime I'm looking for the right, I'm just going to look for the opposite number, the negative. I'm going to look for the positive and find the area to the left. They're the same because of the property of symmetry. So the area to the right of 1.62, so I'll just do it a couple times. So the negative 1.62, the area to the right would mean I would be looking for this side. That would be equal to, if I just looked in the table, and instead of having to do 1 minus the area to the left, to figure this out, I'll have to do 1 minus the left, which is what the table gives me. I can just look at positive 1.62, and it would be symmetric. Okay, so I'm just going to look up positive 1.62. Positive 1.6012. So it should be 0.9474. All right, right of negative 0.74. I'm going to look up positive 0.74. 0.701234. So 7704. For the right of negative 0.78, we're going to look up positive 0.78. It's going to give us 0.7823. Negative 145, the right of that, I'm going to look up positive 145. 1, 4, this column, yep. 1, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9265, 9265. 19, find the value of Z alpha. So I'm looking for the Z value. They're telling me alpha is 0.047. So remember the definition of Z alpha. It's the area to the right. That's what alpha is. So since it's such a small area, that's telling me that the area to the right is less than 50% because half is 50. Got to be something really, really small. 0.047, so maybe I'm looking at like 2 point something, potentially, because I'm looking for the Z value, such that the area to the right is 0.47. So I'm going to look at the second table with the positive. Look at these percentages. Now the area to the left is what I'm seeing, so actually I want to go to the negative, just like I did in the previous one, and find the area to the left, the mirror image. So I'm looking for a negative number that's going to give me 0.047, negative Z value, 0.047. 01, 02, 03, 04, 04, 05, 047, 048, 0475. So we got 0475, 0465. Okay, neither of these is closer. Okay, it's right in the middle. Right in the middle of these two. So what we do is we look at both Z values and we find the average. So we are looking at, what is this row? Negative 1.6. See, negative 1.6. Negative 1.67 and 1.68, I believe. Yep. Negative. So we're right in the middle And it's actually going to be on the positive side. So 1.67, 1.68. Remember, because I looked at the opposite. I'm going to add these up and divide by 2. When I do that, I get 1.675. So this time I would use 1.675. We do that when it's right in the middle. Say it's around the 2 decimal places. So we'll just go ahead and round it to 1.68. I guess that's the one we want to use.